Well, the shop's now in pretty good shape, so it's time to move on to get a little bit of work down in the trails. So I've made this box and mounted it on the front of the ATV for the chainsaws and supplies. So I'm going to head back there and do a little bit of trail cleaning so that we're ready for snowshoe season, because we had quite a windstorm just the other day, and I got a feeling there is a lot of trees down there that need to be cleaned up so we can get through. All right, let's get going. So far. Looking serious down out here. There's a few issues there to take care of. Yeah. Alright, let's get set up and clean this up. Okay, let's get to work. little stream here that I cleared the way for a couple of years ago to help keep the water flowing through here. And I don't want it to get blocked up, so I've got to make sure it stays clear. And I think we're looking pretty good now. Got one more spot back here behind you guys that I'll have to clear out. And then we'll head up the hill. Alright, that's good enough to start up the hill. We're going to have to go over to the side here later on to clear that spot too. Let's get rolling. See the tree down there, we'll have to pick. A couple of branches here we'll pull out of the way. Secondary trail that goes off this way. We'll come back and check. There's part of our trail down there as well. Stay on the main trail here. Another section that goes off here. See that great big old pine there? There was another one beside it that came down. There's one back over here that's slowly dropping bits and pieces. That's Turtle Rock there. Alright, this is a pretty slippery climb going up here. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I don't know what to do with that monster. I'm surprised it's still up after the windstorm. It is moving around even in that wind it's got now. All right. Okay, we're doing good. This flat down here just fills, turns into quite a big river come the spring. Just from the snow melt. There's no other source for it. Well, there's the homestead. Okay, so that's a tour along the main trail. The next time we go out, we'll do those two side trails and get them cleared. Yeah, and then we'll be in pretty good shape for snowshoeing, I think. We'll be all set.